Hey there, welcome to you WordPress SEO Optimization full course. In the previous class, we have audited our website and check out the audit report and fix the urgent issues that prevent our website to rank on the search engine. Also in the previous class, I have shared how to fix the important or urgent issues step by step and one by one. And finally, we have check our website with one of the most popular SEO tools and increase the site SEO score. In the previous it was red and right now it is green. If you check our previous class, then you will find the result. Okay, in this class we are going to start working with Google Search Console because one of the most important part of SEO. So we are going to check out the Google Search Console and we'll check all the information in Search Console. If we find any issues in our Google Search Console account of our WordPress website, then we'll fix all these issues one by one, and when we complete the fixing all the issue, our website will rank more up and increase rapidly. But before I start this class, I want to show you something. So go to the Google Search Console first of all, and if you check my website, looks here, it's ranking up. If I click on the Google search result, looks here, impression increasing, looks here, impression is increasing. Okay, so I am right now on the Google Search Console account of my website e-commerce thesis, and then click on the pages under indexing, and you see 690 page not indexed for 6 reason. So it's very bad for our website rank on the search result. So we have to find out all the issues and fix one by one. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down. You can see pages are not indexed. Here is all the reason. There are 6 reason, and first we are going to fix this one, not found 404, this issue. Okay, to fix this issue we have to click on it. Okay, then we'll find all the 25 affected pages details in here. So okay, 23, and now we are going to fix the issue. Okay, to fix this issue, first of all we have to access our hosting account and open robot.txt file. So I'm going to access my hosting account. I use Hostinger. So if you need any hosting, then you can prefer Hostinger. You can check out the description to find out the Hostinger link. Okay, I am on my Hostinger account. Then go to the e-commerce thesis dashboard. If you use Hostinger for your hosting, then you will find same interface. Then go to the file manager. We have to wait a little bit time. Then click on the public HTML. Then here you will find all the files of your website. Then open robot.txt, double click, just wait a little bit time, and here we have to add disallow, that page is not currently available. So go back our Google Search Console account, and first of all going to open this one, digital marketing course for beginner, it's not available. So copy the URL and go to the robot.txt file. Okay, one second, make some disallow in here. Okay, so now looks very carefully, cut, Dizelo. Then open second one, business service. Open this one. This page is not available, so copy, add it on here. In the same way, we have to add all the link, so going to copy and add in here. Copy all link, class 2, yes, class 2, then copy this one, then all the course related pages. Okay, so looks very carefully. Lesson header, footer, statistic. Okay, then page 5, category, pages 5. We have to check this link. I think it's available. Yes, it's available, so we cannot disallow. We mark it. Yes, we keep it in here. So you have to check one by one, but I am not going to check all the pages because I know what page is available, because I am the backend developer of. Also check this one. Yes, it's not available, so I did the right things. Category, profit, coffee. Yes, then SEO page 3, I think it's available. Yes, it's available. Okay, then also this one will be available. E-commerce, this FAQ, we have to check it. It's not available, so add disallow. FAQ, VN, I'm not sure. Open. VN not available right now, so copy and add it on the disallow. Then author Tanvir, yes, we can add disallow. Okay, then cart, we can also disallow cart page. And best accounting software, it's maybe available, but we see it's not available. Okay, we can disallow this one also. Or keep it, we don't going to disallow. Author Tanvir, going to disallow author Tanvir also. And this one I will be find it. Somehow it's not find. Somehow it's not available, so I have to check it. Okay, then Dell Optimizely, check out it. Also check out this one. It's available. So e-commerce Dell. Okay, so we have added all the missing link in Dizelu in rubutu.txt file and mark them as a Dizelu. That's when we command robot of Google to Dizelu of these links to index. Okay, so going to click on the save and finally go back and we have to click on the validate fix. Okay, validation started. You see, if I reload and check, click on the pages, you see validation started. Also we have to do another things, that is click on the URL inspect and add this link to index, also this link request for indexing. Wait for a little bit time. So you must have to check all the link one by one, and if you think this link is available on your website or in future this link will be public, then you keep it on your site. You should not mark it to Dizelu. So remember it. So you see I'm doing the same things. Okay, then win we can keep it or index request driving during the live test index issue was detected URL. Okay, it's not found. Okay, so we're going to add this URL on Rubutu. Okay, click on the save and then also going to add this URL on here. And when we add or make any page or any URL same this one, then we have to remove it from Dizelu and add it on the inspect URL inspection and send request indexing button or send request for indexing. Okay, and finally FAQ. We don't have any FAQ, but I'm checking again. Yes, we have to do same things for this page. Okay, FAQ and finally SEO archive. It will be available, I think. So I'm going to check it. Click on the request indexing. Okay, indexing request. So we have done all the required step to fix this issue 404 not found. So what is the step? Let me summary again. First of all, you have to go to your Google Search Console account, then you have to click on the pages, find out the issue on here. If you find not found issue is available for why pages are not indexed, then click on it and then you have to check all the link one by one. If you think any link available, then you have to send it on here and send request for index. And if you find out that this link actually not available on your website, then you have to add it on the rubutu.txt roboto.txt file and mark it to as a disalo on the roboto.txt file and click on the save finally. And how you can access this file, you have to log in your hosting account, then you have to log in file manager, and then you will find this file. So I hope you understand how we have fixed this issue. Now we have to wait a little bit time or few hours or wait for get update from Google. So thank you for your time to join this class. If you think this class is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant WordPress SEO or Shopify, then you can contact with me. And if you want to learn more about WordPress SEO optimization step by step, very beginner friendly, then you can continue this course. So stay connected. See you there. Have a nice day. Bye bye.